Rwanda Belgium cut ties over the Congo conflict. Rwanda on Monday severed diplomatic ties with Belgium and expelled all Belgian diplomats from the country. A Rwandan foreign ministry statement said the European nationals had constantly undermined Kigali during the ongoing conflict in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Belgium called the measure disproportionate and expelled Rwandan diplomats in response. In a statement released Monday, Rwanda's foreign minister said the government of Rwanda today notified the government of Belgium of its decision to sever diplomatic relations effective immediately. Belgium has clearly taken sides in a regional conflict and continues to systematically mobilize against Rwanda in different forums, using lies and manipulation to secure an unjustified hostile opinion of Rwanda in an attempt to destabilize both Rwanda and the region, it said. Belgium slams Rwanda's disproportionate move. Belgium immediately slammed the move as disproportionate and expelled all Rwandan diplomats from the European country. Belgium regretted the decision of Rwanda to cut off diplomatic relations with Belgium and to declare Belgium's diplomats persona non grata. Belgium's foreign minister Maxime Prevot said on X. This is disproportionate and shows that when we disagree with Rwanda, they prefer not to engage in dialogue, said Prevot. The latest diplomatic spurt came as the government of the Democratic Republic of Congo on Monday said it will participate in peace talks in Angola set for Tuesday with the Rwanda-backed M23 labor group that has advanced in Congo's mineral-rich east. The M23 labor group has also sent a delegation to Rwanda. The group's spokesperson, Lawrence Kanyuka, said on X Monday. The conflict in eastern Congo escalated in January when the Rwanda-backed rebels advanced and seized the terrain in the DR Congo's mineral-rich east.